Whoa. Looks like DNA. Okay. I don't want Luna playing with it.
This is so cute.
Why are you trying to get Luna to play with this?
This is cute. This is real. See? Oh, I missed this. Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Black Christmas. I got birds. Rose way. That's way.
She's getting all excited.
No way. Why?
You are such a mess.
And worries.
Well, what does Luna get to play with then? I'm sorry it's dark, but it's a Friday night and we just left the house. It's 6:30 p.m. and our power just went out about 20 minutes ago. I'm sitting here in the truck editing while Dan's driving, and we decided to bring the camera along. I just wanted to show you guys some of the debris that's all over the road. We're in the middle of a windstorm right now. So we just made it to Costco. There was some pretty high winds on the way here. On the hill there were. Dan doesn't want to admit that there's a storm going on. It's mild, but it's like we're getting hit by it. We're gonna go buy shit in Costco.
We're gonna go buy some sheep in Costco. Laura bought me this coat. Music, get out of here. Laura bought me this coat from the Target.
The Target?
Laura bought me this coat from Target, and it's covered with Sherpa. And I've never seen a Sherpa in the wild, but they are hecka soft. Let's get out of here.
I'm pretty blown away because there's actually lights on at the hospital now. It's the first time I've seen that. What are you talking about? Dang. Big book.
I don't know, like Mickey.
Foam wall stickers.
Some zebras or giraffes, whatever.
Is it a train?
Choo-choo.
70 bucks. Jeez, for an air fryer.
Yes,
For being like a week and a half until Christmas, there's a lot of stuff still here. Kind of surprised.
Yep.
Does this mean that there's going to be a lot of last minute shoppers?
It's just like staying at a hotel. Like, you wake up the next day and he moved an inch.
No.
Yeah.
I thought he was pretty cool looking.
Well, yeah, he's cool looking, but he is alive.
No. Don't make it scary. What'd you find?
This spaceship's pretty tight.
50 bucks.
But I know that he would never do that.
What, do Legos with you?
Yeah.
Of course he'll do Legos with you someday.
I was like thinking, oh yeah, I could get this and Rory and I could put it together and stuff. But no.
Why?
Wouldn't you think I'm the girl? Everything.
That's where my mom got those. Oh, wow.
Let's see Spider-Man.
It's only $20 for these nerds.
She's fine.
Okay.
Dan is being overprotective of Luna. She has padding. She's okay. She's enjoying herself. She wasn't happy when I was just holding her. She wanted to be like her brother.
I know.
Look at her. She's so happy.
She's very happy. I'm very happy for her. I'm just making sure she's safe.
She's safe. So you want me to pick up the juice?
No, I got the juice.
So far, our haul here is not very interesting. We just have OxyClean, fabric softener, fabric whatever this is, those pellet things, and Honest Drink. And then I'm getting a crock pot to cook Christmas dinner with. They're selling giant chocolates at Costco. Where's the chocolates? Hurry. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god. They're giving out chocolates.
Yeah, dude.
Look at all those giant chocolates.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
You're welcome. Rory's happy because he got fruit by the foot.
Nice, Mom.
So we got a crock pot, juice, some almond biscuits, Luna's formula, some laundry stuff, and some pretzel crisps, and some cat food and toilet paper. I got the Pyramid Winter Ale, and Dan got the Rich Pumpkin. We're still waiting on our food, but we got some boneless wings for our appetizer, and Rory got got some yogurt with mac and cheese. Hey Dan,
What?
what's the update on our electricity?
2,500 people impacted.
What are they doing about it?
It's under investigation.
Oh, okay. Do you know when it's gonna be back on?
No.
Crap.
2,500.
So Rory has been enjoying his mac and cheese. He's so obsessed with his bag. Oh my god, the bag obsession. So my food came. I got a bacon cheeseburger, Dan got a steak, green beans, and broccoli. And Luna is